Catnip is a beautiful low maintenance plant. It's perfect for any garden. Catnip, Catmint prefers full sun but will tolerate some afternoon shade. Catmint is drought tolerant and thrives in dry soils once established. You can water your catmint every few weeks after planting, but keep it light after establishment and minimize watering just to keep the soil medium dry. And catmint will grow in very well, so oftentimes spacing isn't really that big of a deal because it will grow together into clumps. And catmint doesn't like a lot of fertilizer. If your soil is average rich, the fertilizing really isn't that much necessary, and too much might make the floppy stems. So if you want to have a boost in the spring, we recommend keeping a light hand on the fertilizer. And in the winter, to winterize it, leave the spent foliage in place over the winter to protect the crown of the plant. And if you want to cut back the flower spikes when they're done blooming, this can promote continuous blooms. If it becomes too leggy, go ahead and shear it back. And if that helps the appearance, you can also cut it back after it's done blooming. Catmint is a great companion plant for other plants, and you can see it tucked in here and there all through my flower borders. And it's deer resistant and highly fragrant and loved by pollinators. And catmint is both safe for cats and dogs, but keep in mind, just because they are safe does not mean your furry friends should eat your catmints. There are a lot of different varieties of catmint. There are hybrid varieties and short stalked kinds, and the eastern catmint. And catmint is easy to grow, easy to care for, perennial, perfect for any gardens. With its long-lasting blooms and fragrant foliage, catmint, and low maintenance requirements, catmint is sure to become the favorite in your garden. Catmint and catnip are related, but they are not the same plant.